Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, spring is finally here, so I thought it was about time to go outside and do some experiments, and what better way to start than with a bottle rocket. I have been given this cool kit from Timstar which pretty much gives you everything you need to build a bottle rocket. Let's head outside and see what I can do. I filled my bottle up with about a third with water.
Wow, that was so cool! But I think we can do bigger and better. Where'd it go? I got wet! That one went really far, but I still think we can do bigger and better. I think this one will take a bit more pumping.
As I start the pump, the air pressure builds up inside the bottle until it can't take any more, and the bottle pops off the hose and blasts into the air.
Where'd it go? I don't know. Whoa! But I think we can do even better and make one look even more like a rocket. Oh my gosh, stuck in the ground. Oh, got it. That's a massive hole.
Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, when the water is forced out of the top, the bottle moves away from it in the opposite direction.
What is it? Whoa! I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And if you do try it at home, make sure you've got something dry on because you're prepared to get wet. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.